Hello guys, we've had a problem here. As you can see, I got a very narrow space here. I've been hitting this thing about 20 times. The other day I really shellacked it pretty good, and what happened is I've got a short in it now. So you can see when I push it back this way, it comes on. But there's an electrical short in this joint here, so you're certainly not going to rush down to the dealer and get this assembly, okay? Now, normally I could live with this forever, you know, because I'm older now and I don't need to get a flush mount, new rage cycles, flush mount, plate or rear fender. This is not really a rear fender, it's just a mount for the tail lights, brake lights, signal lights, and a mount for your license plate and the license plate light. But they call it a rear fender eliminator. So that's rage, new rage cycles fender eliminator. But in any case, we've already popped off this side. We've already exposed these two wires right here. And we got this out of our way. I don't know what it's called, some type of relay, so we can get the wires out. We did have to cut a few connectors, wire connectors, but that's no problem. But we're right here at the stage of pulling off this other side, and I thought, what the hell, I'll bring you along with me. We're gonna do this in two stages, because let's make sure I got the two bolts off. There's two bolts, one here on both sides. So just get your fingers under here. And at the last move, you kind of slide it out a little bit. Okay. Now I don't have the Fender Eliminator kit yet. I did order it, and it's coming in. So here's the other. I would assume that this is the right side signal light, and I'm assuming that these two connectors over here, one is the left side signal light, and one of them is a connector for the light for the tail light, or I mean for the license plate. All of these are a torque 20. I think they should call torque tools BMW tools. But in any case, we do have it off. We have the wires exposed. Now we're going to take this. I got everything loose on it already, but I wanted to show you the short, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to keep this assembly. Should the new rage cycles Fender Eliminator kit for your lights, single lights and stuff like that, should it go defective, it is rather expensive. It's $220, so it's not something you want to replace. Oh yeah, and I can show you my new fan here from Home Depot. I got two of them, one upstairs. They're monsters. But anyways, okay, so we took that off. Now it's just a question of disconnecting the wires, which is very simply done. Here's one. A little pump there. This thing's got to get over. I just don't want to damage. You don't want to damage this side. That's Well, no, that's not it. The other, the female side is the side above there. There we go. Okay, so we got both of these wires off. They're connected to this tail light, brake light, light assembly. And you'll have to, when you get the new Rage cycles, it'll also come up through here. Bit of a trick to later on to run the wires, got to thread them through and everything. There shouldn't be a problem. Like I said, I really didn't want to do this, but you know, if you're gonna change it, you might as, I mean, there's no, I'm sure that at the dealer I'm sure at the dealer they sell you the whole kit. You know, not the plate holder or anything, but I'm sure they sell you both these lights at the same time. I don't see them selling you one. And